Hey guys, it's Mo here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. So today's video, guys, as you can see, I have this cute wall DIY decor for Christmas that you can put on your wall. I was so excited to find these items at my Dollar Tree, and it's fairly easy, as you can see. So let's get right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is very simple, guys. So if you need some other decorations for you to put on your wall, this one is definitely it, and it is under budget, inexpensive. You can get all the supplies at Dollar Tree. I will go ahead and list down below all the supplies that you need from your Dollar Tree because I got everything from there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get right into it so you guys can make your DIY Christmas wall decor. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I have done a DIY, so I definitely love Christmas. You guys who follow me on this channel and are subscribed to me, you guys know that I love Christmas. It's like my favorite holiday. So today is going to be a very simple DIY. You can definitely get everything that you see here at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So for today's DIY, it's gonna be this nice little wall decor, and you know I'm all into the wall decor. So I have here this nice cute mirror, and I don't want to flash it so it won't be in your eye and everything like that, but you're gonna see my chandelier up there. But so this is this nice mirror, and it's from Dollar Tree. This is a new item at Dollar Tree. So they have these square mirrors just like how they used to have, but except this one has a nice little silver glitter that's already on there. It came with the silver glitter, if you can see. I can bring it closer, and hopefully the light's not shining too much on your face, but look. So it has a silver glitter all the way around, so that's what I love so much about this one. I think they have it in gold, but I really love this because it's going to go in my living room, so the silver was perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. So I need to make a couple, so I just want to show you how I'm going to use it. So what you're going to need today is you're going to need this one, and like I said, if you go to your Dollar Tree and if you want yours to be gold, I think they sell it in gold like this already. I did see the hexagonal shaped one, and it was in gold, but I needed the square one because that's the one I want to work with today. Also today you're gonna need this ornament. I really love this ornament. They have it in gold and then they have it in white, so I really want it in this color here. Like I said, it's for my living room, and they have accents of silver and everything for the holiday. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one here. And then of course from Dollar Tree as well, you're gonna get your ribbon. So what I did is ribbons a little bit fatter, so I just went on ahead and cut them because I'm gonna do 2 of these, but I'm just gonna show you how I did this one. So this is going to be your finished product here, guys, and it's going to hang on your wall. and I really love the way it turned out. It's very, very simple. So like I said, you can go get all of this at your Dollar Tree. So definitely go look out for these. This is lovely. I love these little cute ornaments. So this is the entire project, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little Christmas wall decor. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It's so simple, right? Definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already. I would love to have you here on this channel. I have tons of DIYs in store for you guys, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also give this video a like. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification button down below so that you'll be notified of all my new videos that are coming out. And there are definitely some videos coming out, some DIYs. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. Again, everything will be listed down below in the description box. Don't forget to live your life beautifully, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.